Mike Hughes here. I'm at Dive Buddy Originals, and I'm back here with Janet. And Janet, you have some new products?
We do. We have our new prints, which is the Octopus rash guard with the matching capris.
Okay.
So it's very stunning.
Stylish too.
Very.
And we also love it.
We also have the matching hood and socks and swim band that go with it.
Of course.
Of course.
Accessorized.
We all have to be fashionable these days. And then our other new pattern is our fun seahorses.
Cool, fun seahorses.
Fun seahorses, and they also, of course, have the matching capris.
Of course they would.
And all the other products.
And what's next? The leafy sea dragons?
No, I don't think we'll do sea dragons.
Okay.
We're working on, and we also now have the octopus print in the men's rash guards.
Okay, and that looks like we're around the corner here.
Here we are. Here is our men's rash guard.
Okay.
With the octopuses.
Nice. I like that. Pretty and handsome.
And handsome, and the guys love it.
At the same time.
And then I think since the last video we did, we've added our men's shorts, which come in 3 different styles.
Oh, you have to go with sharks.
Yeah. And sharks, actually, I designed this pattern myself.
Oh, cool.
So you'll never see it anywhere else but Dive Buddy Originals.
Okay, and then I should touch back on the other things that we have real quickly.
Sure.
The rest of the line, as they remember.
We have our socks.
Right.
In multiple different sizes, colors.
Pirate socks too.
Pirate socks, octopus socks, seahorse socks, florals, solids.
Happy seahorses.
Happy seahorses.
Okay.
And then we have our hood.
Which look like that.
Which
so it matches everything.
Tucks in nicely and is easy to put on, easy to slide back. And we have our swim bands.
And our swim bands, where you just want to keep your hair out of your way.
The only adjustable headband on the market. And you know what?
There you go.
Let's do a real quick on the swim band. Pull your hair back up. Pull it up. The key is to keep it over the hairline, because if it gets up too high, it's going to become the rubber band on a balloon and go off it goes. Turn around to the back, and it's adjustable. So you
Press
can
that
tighten
button.
It or loosen it to make it fit the way you want it to fit.
Perfect.
So that's Dive Buddy Originals in a nutshell.
Okay, and then if they want more information about Dive Buddy?
They can go to divebuddyoriginals.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mike.